guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unboxing to share with you. I'm actually holding this big box right here. I'm gonna set it down now, but an unboxing from B&G Trading. So if you have not heard of this company before, they are like a wholesale distributor. I have heard about them through YouTube. I've seen quite a few people do unboxings from them previously. This is my first time purchasing from them. I did buy this with my own money. I ended up using a coupon code that I found online. I just Googled for a coupon code, so I did save 20%. I don't remember exactly what I paid or the name of the box, but I will have that linked down below for you. It was somewhere in the $60 range after shipping and discounts and everything was applied. So I paid about $60 and there's about 10, I think there's 10 pieces in here. So my cost of goods was about $6 per piece. These are customer returns, they said. So I think they're mostly supposed to have their tags still attached, but we will find out. I've seen mixed reviews from this company, but I'm trying to get a little creative with my sourcing right now since obviously everything is shut down and it's a little bit more difficult to get new stuff to list. I do have some other ways I've been sourcing. In fact, you could probably see behind me, I just got this new Z-Rack, which I actually got on Craigslist. I got a steal of a deal. I paid $40 for the Z-Rack, which was really exciting. But anyways, on here I have a bunch of clothing hung that is stuff that I'm going to be listing, and I did find a new way to source that. So I actually am going to have a separate video about how to get free inventory coming up soon. So make sure if you're not already subscribed, you do subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But let's get to this unboxing because, yeah, I'm excited to see what's in here. I got it last night and I had to wait to film till this morning because I didn't get it till late at night. But anyway, I'm gonna break into it and we'll see what's inside. So on their descriptions on their website, they don't really give you, there's no manifest on these items, but they do give you like a list of possible brands that you could have. So hopefully some of the brands that they had shown on the photo or in the description are in here, because there were some pretty decent brands that I would, you know, obviously pick up and source if I still had the ability to do that. So that's why I selected this box. All right, let's see. I opened it upside down, so I don't know if there is somewhere in here oh, here we go. Let's see, B&G Trading, thank you so much for your order. Oh, there's 20 items in this box. That's really good. So that's right, they had this weird donations thing. I forgot about that. So I actually did buy just a 10-piece box, but they had this the day that I ordered. I don't know if it's still on there. After I put it in my cart, it said you qualify for 10 free donation items. And since it was completely free, I didn't have to pay anything extra for it. I said, okay, sure, throw that in there. So we'll see what that's all about. Actually, I'm kind of excited now. Okay. So let's start. I'm gonna put this down because it's heavy. Let's start right on top here. There is a pair of blank NYC denim, and it does have the tag still attached. Let's see what this is all about. This is their, it doesn't have like a style name. Okay, no style name, but it looks like actually a flare leg. Oh, cute. Those are very cute. So it has a flare leg. I don't see any damage to these, which is good. There's a little lint on the back, but I'll just roll that right off. And it's a size 30, which is a great size. So yay, I'm very excited about these actually. Blank NYC is not like super great resale value. I wanna say the last pair of jeans I wanna say I sold for like $30, but still, I will take it. It's a good return. Okay, next we have a little striped item here. What is this? It's a dress, okay. Oh, this is cute. So this has a kind of a peach and blue stripe. Oh, okay, I see a flaw already. So it has these little buttons right on the top here, and this side is missing one of these like fabric colored button detail. It's not a functional button, it's just for a design, but that's definitely going to reduce the you know, value of this item. So this is from the brand 1901. I know they make denim. I've never seen anything else from them before, but it does still have their tags the tag attached. Let's see if it has the original MSRP. I think the original MSRP was supposed to be like $60, was on the high end. I think it was like 30 to 60 or something. I should have looked that up. I can't get, there's clearance tags on top, so I can't get down to it, but it says the original price was $139 on the clearance tag. I don't know if that's accurate, but it does have all the original tags. It's a very cute little dress here. Really good like spring summer dress. Oh, you know what? I just realized it has a spare button attached to it. So someone would just have to reattach that button and it would be perfectly fine. So that should be pretty easy to sell. Okay, I'm excited about that now. All right, next, this is item number 3. Oh, this is from the brand Leith, which is a Nordstrom brand. It's just a little white bodycon dress. It's pretty basic, but it does have a little bit of a detail here with the, or I'll show you the back. It has like a keyhole back like that, and a spaghetti strap. It's adjustable straps, which is always a nice feature. Original MSRP was $49 on this. It's a pretty basic piece, but it's pretty cute, and I don't see any flaws. Once I get it under the lights, maybe I'll see something, but I'm not seeing any flaws to it right now, so that's good. Oh, next I see a Free People item. I think that was one of the brands that they advertised in the photo. Okay, sorry, my camera battery just died. It said I had more charge, but anyways, okay, that's fine. So next, I was talking about this. I just pulled this out. This is actually from We The Free, which it's like super, super oversized. It's like a navy blue burnout T-shirt. Has kind of like a dolman almost sleeve, and then it's rolled like that. And what size is this? Extra small. It's an extra small, which I think it could fit up to like even a large. It's so big. So yeah, I wear a medium, and I think this would be pretty oversized on me, but that does have the original tags on it as well. The part with the, it's perforated, so the part that had the original MSRP has been removed, but didn't see any damage on that item either. Okay, we're just reaching down for the next thing here. Okay, we got another dress, and this, is this a reversible dress? It looks like a reversible dress. I think it is, but I don't see any tags. Okay, sorry. So the outside is like this navy blue, and it has a flutter sleeve, but it looks like it's reversible because when you pull it inside out, it's like a navy blue stripe. Yeah, it's definitely fully reversible. And that's what it looks like there. It does have a tag attached, but it's just a Nordstrom Rack clearance tag. And it doesn't give any information anywhere on here about the brand. I wonder if there's like pockets, or trying to see if maybe they hid the information somewhere. One second, looking for any sort of indication of where this came from. So yeah, I don't see anything. There's no branding tag, there's no size tag. The only thing I see is that random clearance tag. I mean, it's very cute. I will still be able to sell it, but because there's no branding or sizing, it's definitely gonna be pretty cheap, but it's cute though. Okay, next up, if you know anything about that dress, if you've seen it somewhere, let me know. Next up is another dress. This is from the brand Speechless, which is just a juniors brand. I think they do sell this at Macy's maybe. And this is a size medium. It does have a flaw, so it has like the hook button on the back, and the little tab that holds the button came apart on one side. So that's an easy fix, and it has these very cute crocheted like cap sleeve. I think that's darling. And then it is kind of almost like a fit and flare actually. It does flare out at the bottom here. So that's very, very cute. And then when you fix the button, you'll have like a little keyhole back. So I might just sell it as is because I don't like making repairs to things, and just, you know, note that it needs a tiny little fix, but that wouldn't be a very big fix because this brand doesn't retail for a whole lot to begin with, so I probably won't get much for that. Okay, next up, oh, these are cute. Okay, next up is, oh, Topshop, and it's a pair of shorts. Let me back up so you can see it. Just a pair of like high-rise striped shorts. It's kind of like a coral and a pink stripe is what it looks like. And then it has this really cute tie on the front. How cute is that? It almost looks like it might have a little bit of a paper bag kind of waistband too. These are a size 14. Oh, that's a UK 14. So it's a US size 10, and it does have all the original tags as well as a spare button. Those are very cute. That should do well. Okay, by the way, I haven't said pricing on anything. I really haven't obviously looked up any of the comps for pricing. If you are interested in any of the items that you see here, I will have my information down below. You can either email me or you can check my Poshmark, and hopefully I'll get these listed soon. Okay, next we have this like little lavender wrap top from Leith. This does have a stain on it, but that's very weird. When I hold it up to the light, I can see it, but when I look closely, I can't really see it. It kind of disappears, but there is a little stain right about here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. I might just note that, but I don't think it's a big deal because it's really hard to see. It's a very interesting top. This says its original MSRP was $45 and it's a size extra large. You'll definitely obviously have to wear something over the top or underneath because it's very open in the front, but it's cute. Okay, just a couple more pieces left before we get to the donated stuff, which I'm very interested to see what that's all about. Okay, next up, this is from the brand Casalon, and this does have its original tags. It doesn't say an MSRP on it though. And this is just a really cute little, it has like a cinched waist, and then it ties on the sides right here so you can adjust the tightness of the waist. And it's a very soft little heathered gray top. I think that's very, very cute. It's got like the peplum bottom to it, so that's adorable. Okay, the last thing that I got here is a pair of navy blue pants from the brand Mason Jewels. I've had a hard time with this brand. I only had one item from this brand in my closet, but it's been sitting since. It's like one of the first things I sourced when I started reselling like 2 years ago. So it's been there for a while. But this original MSRP is $50. It's just like a Ponte career pant. Skinny leg. That's a pretty basic piece. I feel like a nice little career piece for somebody. Okay, so yes, that was 10 pieces. I know I paid right around $60 for this. I don't know the exact total, but it was somewhere around 60. So I'm gonna average like my cost of goods for those items was about $6 a piece. Would I have paid $6 a piece for each one of those things? Probably not. But the first two items I took out, those white jeans from Blink NYC and then the dress from 1901, I feel like those two were kind of the winners out of the box. And that'll kind of make up for some of the other things that weren't as good. Okay, let's break into this. So I'm assuming this is the 10 donated items. It's bagged up separately. And yes, it has a little handwritten piece of paper that says donations. So it's probably stuff that needs fixed or something that they just didn't want to sell separately. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so first up is a pair of like outdoor pants. It's got like the weatherproof material. It does have the original tags. I've never heard of this brand. So the brand says Magco Nsen. I don't know how to say that. Doesn't want to focus. Anyways, I've never heard of this brand, but they do look like they're in really good condition. I don't know why they would have just thrown this in a donation box unless the brand is just a nothing brand, which maybe it is. Never heard of it. Okay, next up, this is also new with tags, and this is from a brand called Simir Fiery. I've never heard of this either. I think these are just like some boutique-y brands that are kind of nothing brands, and that's why they included them for free, but still in really good condition. It's cute. It's like a little, like a basic high-low dress, and then it has the cinched waist again, and it's probably like a midi length, I want to say. So that's pretty cute. Okay, not too shabby. Next up, we have this navy blue dress. Okay, it's again a midi length that has just like a short sleeve to it. I'll show you guys that. The waist is what's strange here because it doesn't, I think it's just supposed to look like that. It just kind of drapes across the front, and then it has this part that just kind of goes to the side. So interesting. It looks like it's supposed to attach, but I don't think it is. And then there's no branding. There's absolutely no tags on this at all. There's no size, no materials. Oh wait, here we go. It just says it's a large and it's 100% Terry Lane. I don't know what material that is. And it was made in China. So that's it. So it's just an unbranded item. Okay, next up we have this pink Polo T-shirt. Okay, sorry, my camera is just stopped recording. Okay. Anyways, we were on this polo. It's just a basic pink polo. Again, it's unbranded. I feel like this was just a bunch of unbranded stuff that they threw in. It just says classroom uniforms, and it's a junior's size large. It's new with tags, and I don't see any flaws. Okay, next up is a gray t-shirt. Interesting. It's just a gray t-shirt that says awesome. Oh wait, it says something else. I couldn't see that part. What does that say? I can only see it on the camera. It says, coffee makes me awesome. Oh yes. You can't see this in person. It's so close to the same color as the t-shirt. I can't see it until I looked at it in my camera. That's funny. So yeah, just says coffee makes me awesome, and it doesn't have any branding. And let's see if it has a material tag on this one. No, so that might make a good bed shirt for me. Okay, next up, another t-shirt, and this one is just a red shirt, and it says Selfie T-Shirt. In person, it's backwards. So when you look at it, it's backwards, but when you look at it in the camera, it's straight. So, okay. Again, no brand on that. All right, next up, a pair of shorts. Oh, this one has a brand. These are Karen Scott Sport, size large, and they're new with tags, but the tag has been cut. And they're just a basic, like, terry fabric, white lounge short. Okay, not bad. Since I got all this stuff for free, I'm not mad at it. Next up, we have a sweater. This is from the brand Mike and Jack's. I've not heard of it. It does have, oh, it has like a boutique tag on it. It says just like the style and the color. Okay, so yeah, I don't see any size, but it's cute. It has this like floral design on the front, almost like a paisley. And then it has this cute little puff sleeve. How adorable is that? It actually goes down partially like a regular shoulder, and then it puffs at the bottom. I think that's super cute. Okay, next up we have, is this more than 10? It feels like more than 10. This is from the brand Pretty Rebel. I have not heard of that. It's a size medium. It does have like one of those little, these little tags that says $4.99 on it. It's just a black hoodie with this design. It looks just like, you know, one of the souvenir shop kind of tops. Okay, and it looks like the last thing that was in this bag is a pair of, oh, I thought they were shorts. It's not shorts. It's a top. That's what it looks like. It's got like the eyelet crocheted detail and a little flutter sleeve. It's from BP and it's a size 3X. It does have the original tags on it, but it does have some makeup stains. It looks like from someone trying it on. They got some makeup on it. That might even come out though. So that's actually a really cute little plus size top. I like it. So that was everything. Let me count up the free items real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, there were 10. So I did get a total of 20 items. Definitely the last 10 items, I'm glad those were like the free items because definitely the quality wasn't quite as good as the first 10 items. But overall, I'm very happy with my purchase actually. I feel like this was a good purchase. I'll definitely be able to double my money. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this unboxing down below. It's not, like I already said, I did pay for this myself. I don't have a coupon code for you guys, but I did just Google B&G Trading coupon code and I was able to find one for 20% off. So if you're gonna be purchasing from them, I definitely recommend looking it up first to see if you can find a little bit of a discount. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.